Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be looking at MySQL subqueries. So welcome to this video, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure you have subscribed so that you continue getting more and more amazing content regarding databases like Postgres and Oracle and even SQL Server. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about this content, and make sure you like and share also this content with other groups and platforms. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to be using our usual database, which is Northwind, and let's start by doing basic a few queries before we continue to add subqueries. A subquery is basically a query within another query, or it's a query that is nested within another query. So that the subquery is usually known as the inner query, and then the main query is the outer query. So usually the inner query is executed first, then the result is passed on to the outer query, which is the main query. Alright, let's go ahead and do a selector statement. Maybe like let's deal with the suppliers today. So we have all suppliers here. Suppose we add a where clause here, for example. Select all suppliers from, can add a filter here, where clause. Let's use countries. Let's try and select all suppliers whose countries have customers. Okay, all suppliers who are coming from countries that have customers. For instance, if it's UK, this supplier comes from the UK. We go to customers. At least we have one customer who comes from the UK, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is can just write this. Select can say company name. Sorry. Company name, contact name, can say contact title, from suppliers. We can use the country field, where country in. So this is where now we put our select our subquery, and remember it's a rule that all subqueries have to be enclosed in parentheses. So let's do a subquery here. Select country. Select country from customers, right? So remember, subqueries can always be used with all comparison operators like in, exist, not exist, not in, less or equal, greater. All those comparison operators can be used with subqueries. So for instance, if we go ahead and execute our query here, that is Control Enter to execute. Okay, we have an error, no database. Okay, we've not selected the database, so we can select Northwind. And let's now execute no database again. Okay. Just copy this. Can close that one. we double click the database to select. Then let's now paste our query here, control enter to execute, and we get it there. So maybe you can add the third field here. You can add country so that we see what country the supply is coming from. Okay, so this one selects only only suppliers who are coming from countries that have customers. So that's why we are using this one here. Okay, so again we can still say we can still add a filter here within the excuse me, within the subquery. We can still add another filter. For instance, if we go to customers, we might as well specify maybe customers whose contact title is a sales representative. So we only select suppliers who have customers whose sales contact is a sales representative. So let's go and add that one. So where contact title is equals to, remember strings always have to be enclosed in single double quotes. So it only select the countries from customers where the title is sales representative. Let's execute this one. So you find that our result set has become narrower. It's smaller than previous. Okay, so because now we added another filter there. So this is basically how we do subqueries. It's basically nesting queries within other queries. A query within another query, that is. So even this one you can still say where select from suppliers where. Let's check suppliers. So these are products. Maybe let's try do another one in products. So let's build another query. Say select from products where you can say product ID is equals to then we can put a subquery there. Then we say select. Let's check in order. So we have the product. Okay, here you have product ID. So let's use that one. So select product ID. Select product ID from order details. From order details where I can leave it at that first of all. So this one means to only select products that have been ordered at least once. So where product ID is in this table. This should only return products that have at least been ordered once. So we go ahead and execute this one again. Okay, we have an error here. Let's select this one again. Table, now doing the select. Okay. So it says subquery returns more than one row, so maybe you can use in. It's okay to get a result. So it only return all the products that is have an order. Okay, that only exist in the order details. Okay, so that's how we use that. That's how we use subqueries. So guys, that is it for this short video on subqueries. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Let me know your comments and make sure you also subscribe and share the video with other people who are willing to learn MySQL and also generate databases. Please make sure you subscribe and let's meet in the next video.